In Component 2, students will build on from the knowledge and skills gained in Component 1 by looking into engineering sectors and the engineering design process further. Students will investigate an engineering project, including looking at selection of materials, proprietary components, making processes and disassembly of engineered products. Component 2 consists of 3 learning aims. Learning Aim A looks at materials, components and processes used to manufacture an engineered component. Students will investigate engineered components to find out about the types of components used, properties of materials and processes utilized to manufacture the product. In Learning Aim B, students will disassemble an existing engineered product to look at its construction and manufacture. By doing this, students will learn about the importance of reverse manufacturing, select and use appropriate tools and equipment to dismantle the product, and identify the function of each part. This will be followed by measuring and sketching these parts to keep a record of their details. Students will then be expected to write a design specification for this product. Component 1 and 2 will equip students with knowledge and skills necessary to move on to Learning Aim C. This is where students will plan the manufacture of and safely reproduce, inspect and test the given engineered component. The component they reproduce will come from the product dismantled for Learning Aim B. To achieve Learning Aim C, students will develop a production plan to cover health and safety, processes and operations, inspection, testing and quality standards, equipment and tools, materials and components, and the needs of the customer. They will also make components including awareness of risks and hazards of the making process, choosing suitable tools, equipment and setup, anticipating problems, offering solutions, adapting work according to inspections, obtaining the correct materials, setting up the work area and machinery, inspecting the quality and measurements of the final component. And they will reflect on the project outcome to look at how successful the component is and what further improvements could be made. Overall, during Component 2, students will develop a good understanding of how engineers approach projects and make critical decisions about the materials and processes used, as well as develop skills in planning and manufacturing engineering components.